Hey gang, welcome back to Opaw's Diecast Restoration. Before we get started today, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Today we have a 1974 Gran Torino. I had one just like it. Only difference is the color when I'm all finished with this one. It's a 427 Cobrajet. Let's get started and have some fun. I had already drilled and tapped the posts. I figure you've seen that enough times. I can skip one once in a while. Got the chrome base. Which I take care of later by dipping it in some bleach, which takes it right off, by the way. Thank you, Charlie, for that helpful hint. Ain't much to these anymore, as we all know. Now I got the body separated. Get it into our favorite stripper. That's right, dummy. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Yeah, good shake for good luck. Take these wheels and tires off. Snapping the plastic. That one went flying. I had thrown it into the bleach for about 5 minutes by this time and removed all that chrome. Now I'm cutting the axle tubes. Augering them out a little, make sure there's no burr in there. Using the file now to kind of open that track up a little bit. Getting some CA glue. What I always do is after I'm done cutting and augering out the tubes a little bit, I make sure I rough up the tube a little bit so that the glue has a little extra traction to grab onto. Spread that glue out a little bit. try to get as much of that tube covered as possible. And here we are with our baking soda. Always remember, let it thoroughly dry before you get it back into it. Here I am polishing up the body because I'm going with a Spectraflame. That Mother's polish, mag polish, works really good on these cars. And then I have a stick of some other polish that I use after I wash this initial Mother's project down, and it intensifies the shine. It's called Sunshine polish for the jewelry making business. And here's a look at after the second polishing procedure. See a big ugly guy in the background there. That's right. Get your picture up. I'm in my new shop now, so I got my fan set up. What I like to do is put on a clear coat, first coat, let it dry, and then add the color. I'm sorry. This was after the initial second polishing. I don't know how that one got left in, but I'll have to talk to the editor on that one. Here's the car after the final coat of the Spectraflame. Here she is, all ready to be put back together. All the many pieces put back together. Ha ha ha. At this point I realized I forgot to take the screws out. Dummy. Now I've removed the screws, getting it snapped back together. Put the screws back in it. Get ready for the final reveal. Here's a look back what we started with. Standard, right out of the package, Hot Wheels. You might see that crack or whatever it looks like on the roof there. For some reason I couldn't get any idea how to fill that up. Here's the final reveal with the details. Got the license plate, the tail light. At the front end, I used a little wash in the grill. Detailed the bottom.